here we are. Right, Nick? So I saw this road from up there and I went, oh, that's pretty. And Nick's been locked in a cage for a little bit. So I figured it only right that we take her and let her run around a little bit. And I think everything else is the boat launch. But here we are. Yes, that's okay. There's a flat part down there. Don't know if we'll be able to get back up this, but well, too late now, right? We're not going straight because that's the river, well, the lake, or Powder River, or a reservoir. I don't know. It's water, frozen water. Right, Nick? Come on. Come on. Come here, Nick. Where you going, Nick? Huh? Where you going? Where you going? Are you just enjoying being out? Yep. This is all right, Nick. This is all right. And the Subaru is just eating that stuff up. And maybe because it's powder, whatever, but we are not having a problem at all. Right, Nichols? All right, here's the steep part. Although that was steep too. Let's turn the lights on. Let's see, we'll flash the big ones. Yep, there they were. And it looks like we're gonna be fine. Like, no, nothing. It's like having a cheat code in a game, this car. I mean, I know it's no rock crawler. I wouldn't use it that way, but for my kind of exploring, this is all right. Take my hat off. All right. Turn these lights off so we don't blind people on the road. We made it.